What's the meaning of breathalyse? Breathalyse. Breathalyse.
Breathalyse. Breathalyse. The term breathalyse refers to the process of using a device known as a breathalyzer to measure the amount of alcohol in a person's breath. The device works by analyzing the alcohol content in the breath sample and then calculating the corresponding blood alcohol concentration, BAC, level of the individual. The result of a breathalyzer test is typically reported as a numerical value representing the BAC, with legal limits varying depending on jurisdiction. The purpose of breathalyzing individuals is to discourage and prevent drunk driving, as driving under the influence of alcohol is a serious safety hazard and a criminal offense.